Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So a lot of people have asked what I do for a living. I do a lot of different stuff in the automotive world, and one is I represent Lavaggio, the auto detailing center in Agora Hills, known as the Art of Auto Detailing. And I'll take you in the bay real quick. We're just about to open, so we're still setting up, and I'll do a walk around later, but I thought it might be fun to show you guys, one of the things I do. I've been a part of this team for about 13 years, and it's arguably the nicest auto detailing center in the world, dedicated to detailing cars. Like I said, we're just getting open right now. Sometimes it's hard to do these videos because we're always slammed. Anything from Raptors, that's just come in. He's on our Platinum Club membership, annual membership, to exotics. There's my daily, my diesel excursion, the beautiful waterfalls here, and I have a little event tomorrow. We're doing a cars and coffee I've done for years over here, but let's take a look at the detail bay and just kind of show you some of the variety we have in here. So, Infinitis, BMW SUVs, Huracan Spider Evos, and I've been a part of this team for, I don't know, 12, 13 years. I helped launch the center of the brand, wrote the handbook, did all the marketing, still do the marketing. Beautiful 48 Spider. Absolutely unbelievable car. Next, this beautiful Evo. Right? Rolls Royce. This is the new GT4 RS. All these cars are being picked up today. Look at this beautiful GT4 RS. And today what we'll have coming in, God, I love this car. I love all these cars. Like I said, we've got anything from trucks, diesel trucks, Raptors. We do concourse detailing over here, motorcycle detailing, car washes, paint correction, and it's a beautiful facility, built, owned by a very innovative man, innovative man in the car wash gas station industry. We have a lot of fun. The team here is great. Everybody who's been with us has been with us for a lot of years. They know what they're doing, and when you want things done right, you visit Lavaggio. So lavaggio.net for more information, Lavaggio_official on Instagram. You can reach out to me for any of your questions or auto detailing needs, but I'm here quite a bit. I also office out of here for all the other automotive stuff I do. It's a great place to be in a beautiful setting. The guys are starting to show up, and I can't emphasize how wonderful the team is here. And if you look at our surroundings, waterfalls, beautiful mountains. This is our own facility. You'll notice there's no speed bumps, no shopping carts. Built with rare and exotic cars in mind, as well as everything else. This Lexus came in for a detail, and the fastest growing segments we have here at Lavaggio, interestingly, are Teslas and diesel trucks. And this is what the building looks like. So if you're into auto detailing, you want to see how it's done right, this entire facility is dedicated to auto detailing. And tomorrow morning, I have an event, a little cars and coffee, and we're going to invite my friends, and this whole area will be filled with anything from classic cars, hot rods, exotic cars, and lifted trucks. We have coffee and donuts and pastries and breakfast items. And it's another excuse to get people together in a wonderful environment. And that's how we do it. So, a lot of people have wondered what I do for a living, what my day looks like. I'm gonna start doing some stuff on my cars. And this is one of the things I do. I have a great time, surrounded by great people. And look at those mountains. So when I look out, that's my office right there. And when I look out, I see those beautiful Santa Monica mountains. and great area. So Lavaggio.net, supercarsunday.com, more to come. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe, and I've decided I'm gonna start covering a little bit more of my life. So I know some awesome people, and the best part of my life is truly the people in it, and I want to introduce you to a lot of those folks who I've known for a really long time doing car stuff in Southern California. So thank you all. Subscribe, like, share. I'll see you soon.